Hi everyone, this video is going to go over how to find the resources page in the student account on Essential Elements Interactive. So I'm going to click on the student account and put in my username and password. And mine is prompting me to give an email address. You don't need to, you can just click X on it. And there's this beginning thing. It shows me where my recordings are, some tools, news if your teacher posts any news, your practice log, any assignments that your teacher gives you, and where your calendar is. Up here at the top we can see our assignments again, the calendar, resources, and Music Studio. Today we're interested in the resources page. And on this page I'm signed into a Clarinet account, so it has video or resources showing me the parts of an instrument. If I click on that, it's going to give me a worksheet to put in the parts of my instrument, and I can find my instrument parts on the inside cover of my book, or it has videos on how to put my instrument together and where to put my reed. These videos are really helpful for the beginning band students who may need some help at home. Now, there may also be some additional videos posted by me in your resources page as the need arises during the school year. So it's not a bad spot to keep checking out. So again, that's your resources page, and if we want to get back to the beginning, we click on the big E sign, and that takes us back to our beginning. Again, it's going to prompt me to give an email address, but I'm just going to hit X. Thank you for watching today. Have fun practicing.